Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Pod. Today we are going to do something really special. We will learn about artificial intelligence, or AI, and at the same time, we will practice English together. If your English is at an intermediate level, this lesson is perfect for you. We will learn new words, useful phrases, and understand complex ideas in simple English. So sit back, relax, and let's start. Imagine you are a student of AI. Many students think, if I learn algorithms, I can build a complete AI project from start to finish. That sounds logical at first. After all, algorithms are like the brain of AI. But let me tell you something important. Algorithms are only a small part of the big picture. When we want to build a real AI-powered web application, we have to think about many layers. It is not enough to train a neural network or a decision tree on your laptop. You must ask yourself, how will users interact with my AI model? How will I store and prepare my data? How can I make sure the system works for many people at the same time? These are very important questions, and they go far beyond just algorithms. First, let's talk about data. Data is the fuel of AI. If your data is dirty, your AI model will give poor results. That is why data engineering is so important. Data engineers are like chefs in a kitchen. They collect data from different sources, clean it, and organize it in databases. They also design pipelines that move data to AI models. Without this step, your project is like a car without fuel. Imagine you want to train a model to recommend movies. If your data has mistakes, like wrong movie titles or missing ratings, your AI will suggest wrong movies and users will be unhappy. Data engineering ensures the data is clean, structured, and ready to use. So you see, AI cannot work well without good data. Now imagine your model is trained and your data is ready. How will a user connect to it? This is the job of backend development. Backend developers create APIs, authentication systems, and server logic. For example, when you send a message to a chatbot, the backend takes your message, sends it to the AI model, and returns the answer. Without the backend, your AI model cannot interact with users. It is silent. Backend is like a bridge between the AI and the real world. It allows users to access AI easily and safely. But users do not interact with the backend directly. They need a clear and friendly interface. This is the job of front-end development. Front-end developers use tools like React or Next.js to build websites and apps. They make sure AI results are displayed in a simple, clear, and enjoyable way. If the front end is confusing, even the smartest AI feels useless. Think about Duolingo. Users love it not only because it has a smart AI tutor, but also because the interface is colorful, fun, and easy to use. The front end is very important. It makes AI usable for real people. After front end, we still need to put the system online. This is called deployment. Deployment is not easy. You need to make sure the system works for thousands of users at the same time, it does not crash, and it runs 24/7. DevOps engineers use tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud platforms to make this possible. If we forget deployment, our project will only exist on our computers. No one else can use it. Deployment ensures the AI system is available anytime, anywhere. It is like opening a store for customers to visit. No store, no customers. Now let's talk about MLOps. AI models are not perfect forever. They lose accuracy because the world changes. Imagine a recommendation system for an online store. If it is never updated, it will continue suggesting old products and users will get bored. MLOps is about monitoring your model, retraining it with new data, and keeping track of different model versions. It is like giving your AI a regular health check. MLOps is very important for long-term success. Companies that ignore MLOps often see their AI systems fail over time. So if we look at the full picture, building an AI project requires data engineering, Backend, Frontend, DevOps, and MLOps. Algorithms alone are not enough. That is why companies work in teams. One person builds the model, another prepares the data, another designs the interface, another manages deployment, and someone else monitors the model with MLOps. Some people try to do everything. These are called full-stack AI developers, but it takes a lot of time and practice. Full-stack AI developers are rare because they need knowledge of every layer of AI systems. Let's give real-life examples. Duolingo is one example. Many people say, Duolingo is just an AI tutor. But the truth is, it is a combination of many parts. Colorful front end, strong back end, huge data pipelines, smart AI models, and MLOps to keep improving the system. Without all these parts, Duolingo would not be successful. Another example is Amazon or Digicala. They use AI to recommend products, but recommendation is only one piece. Behind it, there are millions of products in databases, back-end APIs to send recommendations, front-end pages to show them, DevOps to keep the website alive, and MLOps to retrain the recommendation model. If any part fails, the whole system feels broken. Even a simple chatbot needs all these layers. It needs a trained language model, a back end to connect it, a front end for the chat window, deployment to put it online, and MLOps to keep it updated. So next time someone says, I built a chatbot with just algorithms, ask them, can real users actually use it? While we are talking about AI, let's learn some English vocabulary. Algorithm, a set of rules or instructions to solve a problem. Pipeline, a series of steps to move data from one place to another. Deployment, putting a system online so people can use it. Backend, the server side of a website or app. Front end, the user interface, what users see and interact with. MLOps, managing and updating AI models after deployment. Full stack developer, someone who knows front end, back end, and other layers. Now try using these words in sentences. I am learning algorithms to build AI models. The data pipeline moves data from the database to the model. Deployment is a difficult step in AI projects. The front end must be user-friendly for people to enjoy the AI system. MLOps is important to keep AI models accurate over time. Remember, building an AI system is like learning a new language. In English, if you only know grammar, you cannot speak well. You also need vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In AI, if you only know algorithms, you cannot build a real system. You also need data engineering, back-end, front-end, DevOps, and MLOps. Together, these skills create a complete solution. So, my advice is simple. Do not stop at algorithms. Learn about the whole AI ecosystem. Practice coding, practice English, and try to see the big picture. Look at real systems, try to explain them in English, and make small projects yourself. That is how you can become a real AI engineer who can bring ideas to life. Easy English Pod is always here to help you combine learning English and technology in a fun way. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy AI.